Mastering file management on your Hostinger account is crucial, and today we're cracking the code on how to efficiently extract zip files directly within your hosting environment. First, let's navigate to your Hostinger file manager. You'll typically find this in your panel dashboard once you're in. Locate the zip file you wish to extract. You can upload a new zip file if it's not already there by clicking the Upload button. With your zip file selected, look for an extract or unzip option. This is usually found in the contextual menu that appears when you right-click on the file, or as a button in the toolbar. Clicking this will present you with a dialog box asking where you want to extract the contents. Choose your desired destination directory. This is usually within your website's main directory structure, like public_HTML. Once you've selected the folder, confirm the extraction. Hostinger's file manager will then unpack the contents of your zip file into the specified location. You'll see the individual files and folders that were inside your zip now listed in your file manager. This process is straightforward and ideal for uploading website themes, plugins, or any other zipped assets. For those comfortable with the command line, accessing your files via SSH offers another powerful extraction method. You'll need to enable SSH access from your panel and use an SSH client like PuTTY or Terminal. Once connected, you'll navigate to your file directory and use simple commands to unzip your files. This method is faster for larger archives and offers more flexibility for advanced users. If you encounter any issues, like a file not extracting, double-check that the zip file is not corrupted and that you have sufficient disk space. Hostinger's support documentation also provides detailed guides for common file management tasks. And that's it. You've successfully extracted a zip file directly within your Hostinger environment, ensuring your website files are managed with ease.